Hello students, today we will start with chapter 10 prepositions. So, you must have read this topic in your previous class also, in class 3rd or 4th also. So this time we will read prepositions in depth. So, what are prepositions? Prepositions are words or groups of words that show the relationship between other words in a sentence. Those other words can be a noun, a pronoun, anything. Okay? So, prepositions are the words or group of words that show the relationship between other words in a sentence. See, for example, the book is in my bag. So, in this, what is preposition? In is preposition. Second sentence, we will visit my grandparents on Sunday. So what is the preposition over here in this sentence? It's on. So this is showing the relationship between the words in a sentence. Okay. Now let us come to prepositions of time that are at, in and on. Here we learn today how to use and where to use at, in and on in terms of time. When we are talking about time, तब हमें at कब use करना है, in कब use करना है और on कब use करना है. Okay? So, see. Over here, prepositions of time, in the first column you have at. So, at is used for precise times. That means when we are very specific about the time. Okay, just see for an example, at 10:30 a.m., at 8 o'clock, at bedtime, at breakfast. We don't say we'll meet in breakfast. We'll meet at breakfast. I'll see you at breakfast. At Christmas. At dawn or dusk. That is the early morning. At dinner time. Okay, and so on. There are plenty of examples for at. Now coming to in. When to use in? In is used for months, years, decades, centuries and long periods of time. जब टाइम हमारा बहुत लंबा होता है, मंथ्स और ईयर्स और सालों सालों की जब बात होती है या किसी पर्टिकुलर एक साल की बात होती है, जैसे इन 1990 या इन 1921, 1947 तब. Okay, so see for example, in is used for months, years, decades, centuries and long periods of time. For example, in 6 years time, in 1991, in December, in January, in the 1970s. Okay, जब 70th century की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, तो in 1970s. अब यहाँ पे century की बात हो रही है 21st century, in the 21st century, in 70s. Okay, so these are the example. Okay, now coming to on. Preposition of time, on. When we use on in terms of time? In terms of time we use on when we talk about days and dates. When we talk about days and dates. See for example, on a summer evening, किसी एक summer evening की बात हो रही है. On Christmas day, on Christmas, okay, on Friday, on holiday, on January 3rd, on my birthday. Okay, on is used for date and days. So these are the examples. I will send you this chart so that it would be easier for you to understand. Now let us come to the book. See, what is the definition given in the book? A preposition is a word which shows relationships between other words in a sentence. This which we have already read. See, prepositions of time, at, in and on. So look at these sentences. I have a meeting at 9 a.m. The shop closes at midnight. Reena went home at lunchtime. So in these sentences, what are the prepositions? Let us underline them. At, in, then again in the future, then in the next century, on Saturdays, on 20th September, on New Year's Day. So you just go through these sentences for once. Okay? Then, in each of these sentences, some time is mentioned, either a specific time, a month, or time in the future. So how do we know when to use these in terms of time? So as I had told you earlier also, we use at for a precise time, in for months, years, centuries and long periods, and on for days and dates. So over here you can see the chart again with the same examples. Some of the examples may match. Okay, so go through these examples, or the examples of at, examples of in and examples of on. Notice the use of preposition of time at in the following expression. यहाँ पे at हमने किस expression में use किया है? Just see with the help of examples. At night. So the stars shines at night. अपन ये नहीं बोलते in night. We say at night. At Christmas or Easter, I stay with my parents at Christmas. At the same time, we finished the test at the same time. At present. So he is not home at present. Try later. तो at कब यूज करते हैं? जब हम अपना टाइम से लेके बहुत ज्यादा प्रिसाइज होते हैं. Notice the use of prepositions of time in and on in these common expressions. In the morning, on Tuesday morning. In the mornings, on Saturday mornings. In the afternoon or afternoons, on Sunday afternoon. So what is the difference? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे directly हमारे पास days आ रहे हैं. That's just like morning, okay, afternoons and evenings. In that case, you will use in. But when it comes to the name of weeks, ठीक है, name of days जब आते हैं हमारे पास, जैसे Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, तो in that case आपको on लगाना पड़ेगा. Okay, when you have a name of a day like Sunday, Monday or Tuesday, you have to place on. When we say last, next, this one is important. When we say last, next, every, this, अगर ये वाले words आते हैं, so in that case we do not use an, at, in or on. Okay, see, I went to Mumbai last June. He is coming back next Friday. I go home every Diwali. We'll call you this evening. So यहाँ पे you can see that it is not in last June. It is not on next Friday. It is not at every Diwali. And it is not in this evening. Why? Because जब भी हमारे पास last, next, every या this time के according जब आता है, in that case we don't use preposition of time, that is at, in or on. Now let us come to the exercise which is on page number 49. So over here what you have to do is Rewrite the expressions in the flower pot in the appropriate petals. Okay, one has been done for you. You can see over here at, in and on, and some of the words are given over here, some of the times is being mentioned over here. You have to place them accordingly. Okay, तो एक एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है 4 o'clock, it comes under at. ठीक है. Next is Wednesdays. Wednesdays falls in on. ठीक है. Wednesdays जब आता है we are talking in on Wednesdays. Okay. The next century in में आएगा. Okay, in the next century. Next, Easter. Easter would fall on in at Easter. Night will fall again in at. Then again Thursday morning it will fall in the flower on. Then again the evening, so it will fall again in the evening. Present, at present. Okay. The Middle Ages in the Middle Ages. This is how you have to locate them. Now let us come to the second exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Okay. So you have to use in, at or on. We'll take first 3 and rest to be solved by you. A. Let's meet dash 6 o'clock. So the answer will be at, because time precise there. So let's meet at 6 o'clock. Next, he was born dash January. So he was born in January. Next, I went there 2006. So I went there in 2006. Okay, so this is how you have to solve, and you should remember the usage of them. Now let us do exercise number 3. Nishant has lost his keys. Let us help him find it. You may have to use a word more than once. So over here in the box you can see some prepositions are given over here, and you have to use them in the blanks, and you may use the words more than one time. So let's begin. Nishant had kept his keys dash the bag. So in the bag. Okay. That was dash to the book. That was, you can write next to the book over here, next to the book, on the table. Okay, this is how you have to fill in the blanks. So Nishant looked all dash the house. So all over the house. He looked for it. You can have two answers over here, behind or on. Okay, he looked for it behind or on the television shelf, dash under the sofa set, below the shoe rack, and inside the kitchen cupboard. So this is how you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, so rest to be solved by you. Try solving them by your own as in practice. Okay, so after solving this, you'll ultimately, Nishant did not need our help to find the keys, but we needed the help of the words we used in the passage to help us find out the position of things and places. So such words are known as prepositions. Okay, prepositions of place you can tell them which denote place. Now come to exercise number 4. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. So over here you have been given with the options. You have to mark the correct answer. There are plenty, so we'll take only first 3 and rest to be solved by you as in practice. Let's begin. He made his escape by jumping dash a window and jumping dash a waiting car. So the answer would be number 4. The sentence would be like then. He made his escape by jumping out of a window and jumping into a waiting car. Next, to get to the marketing department, you have to go dash those stairs and then dash the corridor to the end. So the answer would be the 5th one. To get to the marketing department, you have to go up those stairs and then along the corridor to the end. Let us take next. I saw something about it. Dash television. So the answer is second one, which is on. So I saw something about it on television. So this is how you have to solve this exercise, which is up till T, which is on page number 52. So try solving them by your own, and if you face any problem you can ask me during doubt clearing session.